am here today at BlueShore Financial in the beautiful Vancouver, BC. We are getting the world's first look at HPE Primera, a revolutionary new storage platform for mission-critical apps. So let's see what the buzz is about and meet the peeps. I am here with not only one, but two of BlueShore's finest, CIO Fred Cook and technology guru Ryan Burgess. So guys, rumor has it that you are the first customers in the world to get this.
You know what, not a rumor, it's true, and we're very excited about it. When I heard about the HPE Primera system, I said, Ryan, how do we get first in line? Anytime we can find a competitive edge is a huge bonus for us to work smarter, not harder.
And for me, 100% uptime, super critical.
Oh, sorry, I don't mean to interrupt. Actually, you guys, I just got word that your HPE Primera is on the loading dock right now. So, should we go check it out?
Yeah, that's great news. I've got to run to a meeting right now. I'm looking forward to catching up with you guys after.
Okay, sounds good. Let's go.
Okay.
So what about HPE Primera are you most excited about?
Well, we're really excited about the innovation. It's going to help us move our business along faster, and quite frankly, we won't have to babysit it.
Oh, babysitting, tough gig.
Exactly, that's why we bought HP Primera. It takes care of itself.
Should we open it up?
Let's do it.
Everybody ready for the magic? Wow, that is some cutting edge technology. Let's get this bad boy inside. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the HPE Primera. Tell me what is going on inside of here. Is it magic? Is it elves? Please tell me it's elves. It's elves, isn't it?
Yeah, no, sir, it's not elves. Okay, so what we have inside here is HPE's advanced AI engine called InfoSight. And the fantastic thing about InfoSight is it takes care of this machine for us 24/7 without us having to do anything at all. And it even connects to other devices we have and reports it back to the cloud.
So it does everything. InfoSight, can you text my mom?
Sir, no, that is not how it works.
See, I was just saying if you knew. So do we basically just call support now and then they come and they set it up in like a week?
Nope. This is 100% self-installable.
I'm sorry, so we're gonna install it like right now, like today?
We're gonna install it. Don't worry, it's gonna be a piece of cake.
Really? All right, I'm gonna time you then.
Okay, let's get into the server room.
I'm taking the dongle. Halftime. Can you give us a play-by-play of what you're doing here?
Okay, Sarah, what we've done first, we racked the controller nodes. That's the brains of the system. Next, we installed the disk shelves. The disk shelves are where all the storage is, and that's where we keep everything. Now, we have to move on to cabling and power. And cabling, quite frankly, is one of the hardest parts. The good news is HPE has provided us with an app that makes it super simple.
So are we ready to just, plug it in?
We are. And you know what, Sarah? Do the honor.
This here?
That's the one.
Bam! That's one small switch for me, one giant leap for storage kind. Okay, so we installed the hardware. What's next?
It's all ready to go. The system is auto-discovered, and it makes it easy to set up and configure. HPE has automated all the knobs, and the HPE team has built a slick UI so that with a couple of clicks, I can do software updates. I can probably have this thing ready in a few minutes.
Prove it.
I will. You're ready to rock.
Listen, I was thinking we could just go to an elf depot and get it. Oh, hey, Fred, we were actually just looking for you.
Wow, are you guys finished already?
Yeah.
What was that, like 20 minutes from start to finish?
Yes, this must be a really big deal for you guys.
Oh, this is huge. I can really see us leveraging that AI to really move forward in our digital transformation. And that in turn is really going to allow us to really focus and push the business forward.
Well, that is amazing. And you know what else is amazing is that HPE InfoSight is now the one who's managing it. So my last question for you is what is the IT department going to do with all this extra time?
You know, I got some ideas. Now let's just get back to work.
There you have it, the first ever look at the new HPE Primera, the easiest to manage high-end storage platform ever created, and installed right here by BlueShore Financial. Bye.